Hello, welcome back guys, and today I would like to go over something that I've been working on for a while. So, unfortunately the camera's not going to be involved today because, well, issues. Anyway, we have this. This is going to be a call to action. Let's go into it. So, I have a good PDF viewer. It will open with Chromium. Okay, so this is what I've been working on, and this is why I haven't exactly been active on the platform lately. So Supreme Court of the State of New York, County of Suffolk, that's where this is going, me, against the Attorney General of the State of New York. This is a constitutional challenge regarding, I'm gonna censor out the PII, get into the meat and bones of this. The New York law, CPL Criminal Procedure Law, Section 400, blatantly violates the people's right to keep and bear arms as guaranteed by the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America by limiting the pistol permit age to 21 or older and issuing selectively on a may issue basis. Excuse me. The New York Penal Law, CPL, Section 265, also violates the people's right to keep and bear arms as an extension of Criminal Procedure Law, Section 400, by criminalizing the possession of a pistol in spite of 27 states already recognizing the people's constitutional right to carry. This law serves to undermine the people's access to basic means of self-defense and stands in the way of the constitutional guarantees of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The New York Law CPLR Civil Practice Laws and Rules, Article 63-A, or New York's, quote, red flag laws, extreme risk protection order, and temporary extreme risk protection order, is a direct violation of the Second Amendment guarantees of the people's right to keep and bear arms. Not only is CPLR Article 63-A in violation of the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America, it is also in violation of the 4th, 5th, and 14th Amendments of the Constitution of the United States of America. Don't mind the weird formatting, I really don't think that matters, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. CPLR Article 63-A allows a local police department of the state of New York to seize firearms from a person's home based on the allegation of said person being a danger to themselves or others, end quote. CPLR Article 63-A allows the seizure of property without due process of the law. In GW versus CN, Monroe County, New York, CPLR Article 63-A was ruled unconstitutional as of December 22, 2022. CPL Section 400, CPL Section 265, and CPLR Article 63-A are all blatant and direct infringement on the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America. The Second Amendment of the United States of America states that the people's right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. CPL Section 400, CPL Section 265, and CPLR, this is a rough draft, we're going to say Article, even though it says Section here, Article 63A, infringe on that right guaranteed by the Constitution of the United States of America. The Second Amendment of the United States Constitution is a first-class right. It is integral for the survival of the freedoms granted by the Constitution of the United States, that the Second Amendment is protected at all costs. CPL Section 400, CPL Section 265, and CPLR Article 63A are all laws designed with the sole purpose to subvert the people's right to keep and bear arms. The purpose of this action is to challenge the constitutionality of CPL Section 400, CPL Section 265, and CPLR Article 63A in a court of law. I am seeking legal action from the Supreme Court of the State of New York to repeal CPL Section 265, CPL Section 400, and CPLR Article 63A, and to establish the people's right to conceal carry a handgun is guaranteed in the Second Amendment, which states, a well-regulated as in well-disciplined, well-trained, not like regulated as in red tape and bureaucracy, militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. It is the people's right to keep and bear arms with zero exemptions, as the Second Amendment is a first-class right. I am seeking to repeal the age restriction of 21 on handguns as per historical tradition. Any adult aged 18 or older, military age, should be allowed to keep and bear arms. I am also seeking to legalize constitutional carry of concealed firearms as recognized by 27 states. As an elected official, the Attorney General of the State of New York is bound by oath to uphold the Constitution, yet by allowing this law to exist, the Attorney General of the State of New York is complicit in subverting and undermining the United States Constitution. In doing so, the Attorney General of the State of New York is undermining the American values of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness by stripping away the last means we the people have to check government abuse of power. Now, we're just going to change this to pretty much the same thing here, except I'll link these down below as well if you want to check them out for yourself. We also have the RJI, I believe, yeah, this is the RJI. And I know I need some more stuff. It's not ready yet, but it's coming together. I've kind of been taking my time on this, and it really is a balancing act because there's certain things I have to deal with as well, and it's sort of like trying to fit it into the right timing, because this is ridiculous. In New York, you can open carry a, quote, long gun without any interference. Granted, people may call the cops on you, but they can't do anything because it's perfectly legal. You can open carry a long gun, which is defined by New York state law as a rifle with a barrel length of 16 inches or more, or a shotgun with a barrel length of 18 inches or more. But if you just so happen to have an almost 100-year-old revolver, all of a sudden, you're a criminal. It's weird. And I'm tired of having my rights stripped away by New York bureaucrats. So this is a call to action. Let's hit them where it hurts. Let's vote pro-gun in New York these coming up elections. And let's hit them where it hurts. Their seat of power. That's it for today. I hope this goes somewhere, and this is just me taking it public. Why not? Alright, have a nice day.